I want to talk to y'all about potatoes and planting potatoes. So a couple days to a week before you plant your seed potatoes, you want to go through and any of your larger potatoes, you're going to cut them. You need to have at least 2 of these eyes. Now, not all of the eyes are going to look like this. These are beautiful. This one plant is going to do great because it's already just showing off. But when you cut your potatoes, you want them to be 1.5 to 2 inches big. If any smaller than that, you're not going to have the potato structure to support growth. And each section needs to have at least 2 eyes. So let me see if I can find one that might be a little smaller. Okay, so this one right here, you've got one eye here, and that one's pretty obvious, but you've got an eye here, and an eye here. So technically, if this was a bigger piece, I could have gotten 2 sections out of this. However, it would have made the potato too small and I wouldn't have had the potato structure to support the growth. And the reason that you want to cut these a couple days to a week ahead of time is because you want these skins to form a callus. Otherwise, they will rot. Now, some of these seed potatoes are potatoes that I had left over from last year that I kept. Some of them I went and bought. Let me show you what the downfall is of going and buying seed potatoes. Sometimes they rot. So this is a purple potato, which is my favorite. And this section rotted, but this section is still okay. So I might cut it and give it an extra day because I do plan on planting these today. So I might cut this off and give it a day or 2 to see if it heals and just leave a row open to plant sometime over the week. So, but this one has so many eyes. If I could just get that to stop. I've got a few of them like that, and it happened to the purple potatoes. And that's the biggest downfall of buying your own instead of just keeping your own seed potatoes. I am trying something new this year. I've got store-bought potatoes that I cut. I'm curious to see if they'll grow. So we're gonna give it a go. There's some really good eyes on these. I forgot they were in my pantry and that happened. So I figured I'll take advantage and just plant them, see what happens. Now this one, Duke decided that he wanted to take a taste of. He needed to taste test this one. And that's what happens when you have a dog that's taller than your table. You can just reach up and grab a potato. Apparently he didn't like it though. So, see you in the garden.